In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email and activities on Monday.com, providing you with a more integrated and efficient way to manage your communications and tasks. Let's get started by adding the email and activities app to your client's board. Begin by navigating to the board where you track clients, leads, or contacts. In the top right corner, you'll notice a plus apps button. Click on this and you'll be able to search for email and activities. Once you find it, go ahead and click Add to Board. This will install the app, allowing you to access a new email and activities panel on the right-hand side of your screen. A quick tip: for optimal functionality, make sure your board includes columns like name, email, company, status, and owner. Now that you have the app installed, let's connect your email account to Monday.com. Whether you use Gmail, Outlook, or any other IMAP account, connecting is straightforward. Click Connect your email, select your email provider, and sign in to grant Monday.com the necessary permissions to send emails on your behalf. When connected, you'll see your email address listed in the Email and Activities app. And if you manage more than one inbox, you can connect multiple accounts. Once your email is connected, it's time to send emails directly from Monday.com, allowing you to manage communications without leaving your CRM board. Open an item, which could be a lead or customer, and on the right panel, you'll find Email and Activities. Click on it, choose your connected email account, then hit Send Email. You'll then be able to compose your message, entering a subject, writing your message, and attaching any necessary files before you finally click Send. Your email appears in both the Email and Activities panel and your emails sent folder, whether Gmail or Outlook. In addition to emails, Monday.com lets you log other activities like calls, meetings, and notes to maintain a comprehensive communication timeline. To log an activity, simply click plus log activity in the Email and Activities panel, choose the type of activity, and add relevant details such as date and participants before you click Save. This helps you keep track of your interactions, ensuring you remember key information like last contact dates or meeting summaries. When you've successfully connected your email, every sent and received message to or from a contact's email address will appear in that item's activity log. This enables you to see all communication history for each contact or project in a single view, ensuring that team members can track their own interactions without inbox clutter. Finally, expedite your communication process by using email templates.